walkie-talkie can make all the difference. In today's video, we explore the top 5 best Baofeng long-range walkie-talkies in 2026 that combine power, durability, and smart features for seamless communication anywhere. Number 5. Baofeng F22. The Baofeng F22 is a compact yet surprisingly capable walkie-talkie designed for everyday convenience and outdoor reliability. Whether you are heading out on a camping trip, organizing a road convoy, or managing a team on site, this model delivers simple communication without complications. Each pack includes 2 radios, and with 22 channels, plus 155 privacy codes, you get thousands of combinations to avoid interference. This makes it especially useful in crowded environments like hotels, schools, or events. It operates on license-free frequencies, making it accessible for beginners and casual users. Powering the device is flexible, using 3 AAA batteries. You can choose disposable alkaline batteries for quick swaps or rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries for long-term savings. The addition of Type-C charging is a major advantage, allowing you to recharge from almost any modern power source, including power banks and car chargers. One of its most valuable features is the built-in weather alert system, which scans multiple weather channels and warns you about severe conditions. This is especially useful for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. Despite its small size, it includes useful extras like hands-free operation, multiple call tones, keypad lock, a backlit display, and even a built-in flashlight. With a range of up to 3 miles in open areas, it covers most everyday needs with ease. Simple, durable, and efficient, the Baofeng F22 is a great entry-level option. Pros: compact and lightweight, easy to use for beginners, weather alert feature included. Cons: limited range in dense areas, basic build compared to higher models. Number 4. Baofeng UV-21 Pro V2. Stepping into more advanced territory, the Baofeng UV-21 Pro V2 is built for users who need stronger performance and greater flexibility. This is a multi-band radio designed for both amateur enthusiasts and professionals who require dependable long-range communication. One of its standout features is wireless frequency copying. Instead of manually programming channels, you can quickly sync frequencies from nearby radios within seconds. This makes coordination faster and far more efficient, especially in team environments. The UV-21 Pro V2 supports a wide range of frequencies, covering multiple bands for both transmitting and receiving. It also includes additional bands for listening, giving you access to FM radio and airband signals. With nearly 1,000 memory channels, you can store and organize communications with ease. The large high-definition screen ensures excellent visibility, whether you are working during the day or at night. Durability is another strong point, as the device is built to resist water, dust, and accidental drops. Additional features like a bright flashlight, SOS alarm, hands-free operation, and power-saving modes make it highly versatile. Whether you are camping, patrolling, or working in demanding environments, this radio adapts to your needs. The Baofeng UV-21 Pro V2 is a solid upgrade for users who want more control and power. Pros: wide frequency support, wireless cloning feature, rugged and durable design. Cons: learning curve for beginners, slightly bulky. Number 3. Baofeng BF-888S. The Baofeng BF-888S has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable and widely used walkie-talkies for both personal and professional use. Its simple design hides a powerful communication tool built for consistency and durability. Operating on ultra-high frequency, it provides stable communication across long distances, making it ideal for construction sites, warehouses, security teams, and outdoor adventures. The strong output power ensures that signals remain clear even in challenging environments. With 16 memory channels and built-in privacy features, users can communicate securely without interference. The inclusion of hands-free operation and channel scanning adds convenience, especially for busy work settings. The high-gain antenna improves signal clarity, while the sturdy design allows it to withstand extreme temperatures. This makes it suitable for both hot and cold conditions without performance issues. Battery life is another strong advantage. The lithium-ion battery provides long standby time, and features like low battery alerts and power-saving mode help extend usage even further. The device also includes a built-in flashlight, simple controls, and support for audio accessories, making it versatile and easy to integrate into different workflows. For users who want reliability without complexity, the Baofeng BF-888S remains a top choice. Pros: strong and stable signal, durable and rugged build, long battery life. Cons: limited channel capacity, no display screen. Number 2. Baofeng UV-5RH. The Baofeng UV-5RH takes everything people loved about earlier models and upgrades it into a more powerful and feature-rich communication device. Designed for serious users, it delivers strong transmission power and enhanced usability. One of the first things you notice is the bright color display, which makes navigation and monitoring much easier, especially in low light conditions. The radio supports multiple frequency bands, including airband reception, giving it excellent versatility. Wireless frequency copying simplifies setup by automatically detecting and storing active channels. This makes it incredibly useful when working with different teams or devices. Charging options are also modernized with Type-C support, allowing you to recharge from power banks, laptops, or car chargers. This flexibility ensures you stay connected even during extended trips. The upgraded antenna improves both range and signal stability, while the built-in weather alert system keeps you informed about changing conditions in real time. Additional features like dual standby, programmable channels, hands-free mode, and emergency alerts make it a complete communication solution. The Baofeng UV-5RH is ideal for users who want a balance of power, technology, and convenience. Pros: high transmission power, bright colored display, versatile frequency coverage. Cons: more complex interface, battery drains faster at high power. Number 1. Baofeng UV-32. Taking the top spot is the Baofeng UV-32, a feature-packed walkie-talkie designed for users who demand the best in performance and innovation. This model stands out with its advanced connectivity and smart features. One of its most impressive capabilities is Bluetooth programming through a mobile app. This allows you to configure settings wirelessly without needing cables or complicated software, making setup faster and more user-friendly. The built-in GPS adds a whole new level of functionality. You can track locations in real time, which is extremely useful for team coordination, outdoor navigation, or emergency situations. With support for multiple frequency bands and a large number of memory channels, the UV-32 offers exceptional flexibility. The clear color display ensures easy access to all settings and information. Audio quality is also improved with a powerful speaker and intelligent noise reduction, ensuring clear communication even in noisy environments. Charging is convenient with Type-C support, and the device includes multiple power options for different situations. Additional features like hands-free operation, weather alerts, and adjustable transmission power make it highly adaptable. For users who want cutting-edge features combined with strong performance, the Baofeng UV-32 is the ultimate choice. Pros: Bluetooth programming support, built-in GPS tracking, excellent audio clarity. Cons: higher price point, advanced features may overwhelm beginners. that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Baofeng long-range walkie-talkies in 2026. Whether you need something simple or a fully advanced communication tool, there is an option here for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart tech reviews.